This 2019 Winnebago Minnie 2455 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 27 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleep's 8 LP detector, refrigerator, DVD player, water heater, spare tire kit, external shower, microwave, smoke detector, oven, skylight, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, rear dinette, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Winnebago Minnie 2455 BHS is 5,320 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.